Hi everyone, it's Vanessa Allen from IELTS Prep. Now, what's the difference between the words somewhat and somehow? Many of my students confuse these two words and they use them incorrectly. So we're going to have a look at how we use them in the right way and what the differences are. So let's start with the word somewhat. Somewhat means to a limited extent, a certain amount, slightly, a bit, a little. So to give you an example, it's a sunny day, but it's still somewhat chilly. Somewhat, a little bit chilly. I'm somewhat scared of spiders and snakes. No, actually, I'm very scared of spiders and snakes. My new job is somewhat better than my last one. So that is somewhat, meaning to an extent, a small amount of something. Somehow means in a way that we don't understand. It's almost unexplained. So how will it happen? I don't know. Somehow it will happen. I'll one day become a millionaire. I don't know how, but somehow I'll do it. Somehow the cat managed to open the window. How is that possible? We don't know, but somehow the cat managed to open the window. My sister can't read music, but somehow she can play the guitar like a professional. Remember, somewhat means a small amount or to a certain extent, a small extent of something. And somehow means we can't explain it. We don't know how it happens. I hope that's useful. See you next time.